Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to check Shopify checkout. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, go to your settings and select payments, and if your Shopify payments is enabled, then you have to deactivate it, and if it's already deactivated, then click on see all other providers and select for testing bogus gateway. Scroll down and click on reactivate for testing. So it's activated, and now you have to open your online store and open any product, and simply you have to click on buy it now. And here you can see, go to your online store and place an order as a customer would. At checkout, enter the following credit card details instead of genuine numbers. You have to enter these details on checkout page. So this is how we can check your checkout options on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.